Make them buzz off. How to get rid of pesky fruit flies quickly and easily. Have you ever been to a party where the hors d'oeuvres are swarming with pesky fruit flies? It can be an absolute nightmare. Fortunately, getting rid of them is easier than you think. So watch this video to find out how to make those uninvited guests buzz off quickly and easily. What are fruit flies? Fruit flies are small, winged insects that are attracted to ripe fruit and vegetables. They lay their eggs in the flesh of the fruit, and the larvae feed on the fruit. This can cause the fruit to rot and make it unfit for human consumption. There are several ways to get rid of fruit flies. You can trap them with a jar or container that has a small opening. Place some bait, such as a piece of ripe fruit, inside the container and wait for the flies to fly in. Then, seal the container so they cannot escape. You can also use pesticides to kill fruit flies. However, make sure to follow the instructions on the label carefully. If you have children or pets in your home, be sure to keep them away from areas where you have sprayed pesticides. Signs you have a fruit fly problem. Fruit flies are one of the most pesky insects around, and they can be difficult to get rid of. If you think you might have a fruit fly problem, there are a few signs to look for. One of the first signs is seeing small flies near your fruit or vegetables. These flies are attracted to the sugars in fruits and vegetables, so they will often congregate near these food items. Another sign is finding small maggots in your trash can or compost bin. These maggots come from the eggs that fruit flies lay on rotting fruits and vegetables. If you see either of these signs, it's likely that you have a fruit fly problem. To get rid of the flies, start by removing any decaying food from your home. Then, clean all surfaces where fruit flies might land, such as countertops and tables. Finally, use traps or insecticides to kill any remaining flies. Causes of fruit flies. Fruit flies are small pests that are attracted to ripened fruits and vegetables. They can also be found near drains, garbage cans, and other places where food is present. Fruit flies lay their eggs near the surface of fermenting foods. The larvae hatch and feed on the decaying matter, which contains large amounts of yeast. This ideal breeding environment provides the flies with everything they need to develop and reproduce rapidly. As fruits and vegetables begin to rot, they release ethyl alcohol into the air. This gas is used by fruit flies as a means of communication. It lets other fruit flies know that a suitable breeding site is nearby. If you have ripe fruit or vegetables in your home, it's likely that you'll also have fruit flies. Preventing fruit flies. To prevent fruit flies, keep your kitchen clean and free of fruit or other food that may attract them. Store fruits and vegetables in the fridge, not on the counter. Empty your garbage regularly. Wash dishes promptly. Use a fly trap or paper bag, fruit fly trap, to catch any existing fruit flies. Natural solutions to get rid of fruit flies. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to get rid of those pesky fruit flies, there are several natural solutions that can help. One simple remedy is to mix together equal parts vinegar and water in a bowl. Then, take a piece of paper or foil and create a small funnel that will fit over the top of the bowl. Tape the funnel in place, and wait for the fruit flies to be drawn in by the scent of the vinegar. They'll fly in but won't be able to escape, so you can just dispose of them in the morning. Another solution is to make a trap out of a jar or glass. Fill it about halfway with apple cider vinegar, then add a drop or two of dish soap to break the surface tension. The fruit flies will be attracted to the vinegar and will crawl in, but they won't be able to get back out because of the soap. Just dispose of them in the morning. There are also many commercial products available that can help with getting rid of fruit flies. These usually contain chemicals that can be harmful to people and pets, so be sure to read the labels carefully before purchasing anything. Chemical solutions to get rid of fruit flies. Fruit flies are a common problem in many kitchens. These small, pesky insects are attracted to sweets and other fermenting foods. While fruit flies are not harmful, they can be very annoying. Luckily, there are several chemical solutions that can help get rid of these unwanted guests. One option is to use an insecticide spray. There are many different brands available, so be sure to read the label carefully to find one that is effective against fruit flies. Be sure to follow the directions on the label when using any insecticide. Another option is to make your own fruit fly trap. This can be done by combining equal parts sugar and water in a bowl. Then, add a few drops of dish soap to the mixture and stir well. Place the bowl near where you have seen fruit flies and they will be attracted to the sweet mixture. The dish soap will break the surface tension of the water, causing the flies to drown once they land in it. For a more natural solution, try using vinegar as a fruit fly trap. Simply combine equal parts white vinegar and water in a bowl or jar. Then, add a piece of fruit or some other sweet attractant such as honey or syrup. The fruit flies will be attracted to the sweetness and will crawl into the vinegar trap where they will drown. No one likes to have pesky fruit flies buzzing around their home, but luckily there are a few easy and effective methods you can use to make them buzz off. We hope this video has provided you with some useful tips for getting rid of those annoying pests quickly and easily without having to resort to harsh chemicals or sprays. Don't let the fruit flies ruin your summer. Follow these steps today and get back to enjoying your space.